Hi, in this video we will learn about how to get specific nodes with the help of any kind of ID. Like in this case we will use the user ID and that user ID will be stored in the node object. So we will be getting of the nodes with the help of user ID. For example, if I am login, I should only see my own nodes, not see the other user nodes. So in order to do that, let's just get to the coding. I have 3 points to go through or to achieve this thing. One is to add user ID to the node object. I already added that user ID to the node object. And second one is to add query from where we are getting the nodes from Firestore. In that case, I will go to the node repository and we have that function get nodes, and also I calling a function there where equal to. In that case, in the document field I have field which is called user ID, that is actually same as we declare in the node object as a user ID. So in the node repository implementation, if you notice, I am also passing the user object. That's because we need the user ID. And how I am passing, I will just go back from where I am calling that function. It's in the view model. In the view model, then going back there to node listing screen. In the node listing screen, we have the auth view model. In the auth view model, we have that get session method which is getting the user object from the shared preferences. As soon as we get the user object, we are passing that to the get node. So that's how I am getting the user object and user ID in the node repository. So that is pretty much regarding the second point. As if I run the application, it will not work. That because it required an index on the Firestore. If I check the application, I will test. If I click on create, node has been successfully created, but remember we are calling this method on the node listing screen. If I go back there, and you can see the error exception in the toast message. To create an index, then an exception, it gave us a link as well. So when we click on it, it will redirect to a link to the Firestore where it will suggest us that you need to create this index as well. If I click on create index, it will automatically create us the index for us. The status is right now building. It will take a bit time in order to enable. As the status enabled, now let's just rerun the application and to see if it's working or not. This time it's working. You can see, so the index is created and also it's functional and it's working fine. So whenever you use order by and WhereEqualTo, you need to create index on the Firestore as well. So when it's give an exception, in the exception it will also mention a link. When you just need to click on that link and it will redirect to the screen where it will ask for you to create the index. So that is it.